Well, hey everybody, I'm a huge fan of egg salad, but have you tried tropical egg salad? We gotta try this. I'm gonna start with a few hard-boiled eggs. I think I've got 9 here. Just smash them up. To that, I'll add a few tablespoons of mayonnaise, a little chopped green onion. It's time to get tropical. I'm adding some chopped mango. You could use fresh or frozen, and a couple tablespoons of crushed pineapple right inside. Let's end this with a couple sprinkles of curry powder. Then we're gonna mix that up. We have ourselves a tropical egg salad. Okay, I've got to tell you about a guilty pleasure. I love egg salad on a baked potato. I really loaded this one up. Let's taste it. Tropical egg salad. It's definitely fun. I noticed the mango the most. Definitely tastes like a sweeter egg salad. But it's great. It's really exciting. It feels like a good summer egg salad. And you can make this at your house too. You only need a couple ingredients and you have yourself something pretty spectacular. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. See you next time. Why did the egg cross the road? Just for the shell of it.